Problem that I have with the 4Runners, and I went to the forum to read about this problem, and it's not just me who's experiencing this issues. So when the car is going about 60 miles per hour around, and when I hit the brake, I'll show you real quick. Okay, so a little above 60, and when I hit the brake, look at the steering wheel shake. Hold on. So I'm going 60 or a little bit over 60, and look at the steering wheel shake. So I don't know what the issue is, but I even did the wheel balancing, so this shouldn't occur, but look at how much it shakes. This is a TRD Pro with the stock rims and stock tires. So I know it comes with the TRD rims and the Nitto, I think grappler or something like that, the stock tires. But so at 65, I'm hitting the brake. It's shaking, it's leaning to the right. Hopefully I captured that on the camera, because sometimes it doesn't really show, but so that's one issue that I have. Another issue is about 50 miles per hour while slowing down. There's a plastic piece right behind the steering column that vibrates pretty bad. So this is an easy fix. I can just tape it down, but I mean, you know, it shouldn't happen. Another thing is there's smaller vibration that is coming from the top and then somewhere over there. But that one, it doesn't really bother me, because this car, it's not like luxury vehicle, so it should be fine. That's fine. But the other issues, that shouldn't occur. So what I'm gonna do in the near future is I'm gonna switch out to BF Goodrich KO2 tires, and have that installed in Toyota dealer, at the Toyota dealer, so it gets covered by a warranty. I've heard from different forums that if you or get a new tire from different places like America's Tire Depot or Discounted Tires or something like that, Costco, Walmart, Toyota dealer won't cover the warranty issue when it comes from the wheels. So I'm just gonna change it from the Toyota dealer. But good thing about that is they price match. So the installation fee is a little bit higher, but tire fee, they match the price. So about KO2s with all the balancing, alignment and all that, it will cost me about $1,000 to $1,100. So I mean, that's pretty reasonable considering it gets covered under warranty. So anyways, I will post more videos. Please subscribe, like my videos. Thank you.